Hi, I'm Dr. Doris, and you are so welcome. This is the AHA series number 12. The question today is from Takashi, Japan. And it is, I'm always critical of myself. How can I stop it? Very good question, Takashi. Thank you. This will help many. Don't we know it? I would like to refer to Gallwey, Timothy Gallwey, who is speaking about Self One and Self Two. He has analyzed and found out, interestingly enough, studying tennis and what happens in tennis players when they are in a high performance mode or when they cannot perform highly. And what he found out is that self one is actually an automatic, nearly instinctive part of human being to question, to be critical of self, to be judgmental, and in some way to perceive things as separate. In self one, there is a lack of humility. There's doubt. Then there is self two. Self two is non-judgmental awareness. It is the awareness of potential, inherent potential and resources within. And it is the perception of unity, also called the flow state. So what is happening to you, Takashi, is that this self one and self two are battling with one another. It's not just being critical of yourself, which is self one, but it is actually knowing self two that this is not true. It is actually knowing that you are perfectly all right the way you are. And as these two selves are battling with one another, we experience this internal conflict. So when you are critical of yourself, you say things like, I'm not enough, I won't manage, this is not possible, I'm not good enough, I can't do it. Others are maybe better, but I'm not. Your self one is just a little louder. You are asking, Takashi, and thank you, how can you stop it? Good news, you can. The moment you are asking, how can I stop it, is exactly what you need to emphasize within. When this moment of awareness comes, how can I stop it? Pause. Yes, simply pause. And use the I notice response. Because you were aware, you know that this part self was talking inside of you. And so you can simply smoothly shift with your awareness to non-judgmental awareness, inviting self two, letting self two guide you, which in other words is simply stepping back, taking a deep breath, and aligning yourself what you truly believe and what you truly know, which is you are aware of your constant self-worth. You know that you are valuable just the way you are, yet that you are worth it, that you are perfectly fine. And as you remember this, you basically superimpose this thought with that self one thought. And one important thing is, don't fight self one. That's why I'm sharing this with you today. Just be aware this self one exists in all the countries all over the world, in every human being. It's an instinctive survival type of a response. So embrace and accept it. More like, oh, okay, all right, I notice, and it's time to be aware, and it's time to remind yourself of non-judgmental awareness and of remembering all the positive qualities about yourself that you can not only visualize, but speak. If you like, speak out loud and remember. Would you please, for a moment, practice this with me here present by putting a pause. And next time, when you are critical of yourself, which is not you, it's just a behavior, it's just a thinking. So when you are aware of this thinking, pause, remember self two, and speak to yourself appreciatively, wonderfully, giving yourself value. I'm pausing, and please practice. Thank you very much. I hope this helps, Takashi, to simply notice the difference, practice, and apply what Timothy Gallwey has taught us. And in other words, it means trusting yourself more, appreciating yourself, remembering and building your self-worth and confidence. This was the AHA series number 12 with Takashi from Japan asking, I'm always critical of myself. How can I change? Thank you. I'm Dr. Doris, and you are so welcome.